Very good morning, students, and welcome back. Today, we are going to do a poem, What Makes Weather, written by Helen H. Moore. Helen H. Moore is a well known American poet and writer. She was born on 18th March 1953. She has written more than 19 titles. Pick a Poem and A Poem a Day are some of her best selling books. She is also a speaker, journalist, teacher, cartoonist, and an editor. Now, let us read the poem and try to analyze it.
Poem What Makes Weather by Helen H. Moore. What makes weather, do you know? What makes rain and sleet and snow? What makes summer warm and breezy? What makes winter cold and sneezy? What makes autumn crisp and keen? What makes spring so warm and green? I know what makes weather. Lots of things that work together. Wind and water, earth's rotation bring the season to each nation. So now we all know what makes weather. Lots of things that work together.
In the first stanza, the poet asks us if we know what makes weather, means what causes different states of the atmosphere, variation in heat, cloudiness, dryness, sunshine, wind, etc. every day. How the rainfall occurs, how sometimes rain is partly frozen, and how in some places there is snowfall instead of rain. In the second stanza, the poet asks about different seasons, that why the summer is so warm and what causes the pleasant wind during summers, why the winter is so cold and what causes people to sneeze during winter. Poet asks why during autumns things become crisp and keen. It means why the leaves of the trees change color and fall from the trees, become dry. The animals start gathering food for coming winter. Our skin gets dry. Why during spring the flowers bloom and the trees begin to grow and reproduce. The days grow longer and the temperature become more temperate. In the beginning of the third stanza, the poet says that she knows the reason behind the cause of all these natural phenomena of weather and seasons. The poet says there is not any one factor but lots of factors that occur together and responsible for the same, like direction of wind, amount of water vapor, humidity, rain, etc., results in everyday weather. And the tilt of the Earth's axis and its orbit around the Sun causes different seasons like summer, winter, autumn, spring around the world. In this way, she answers all the questions the poet raised in the first two stanzas. In the concluding stanza, the poet says that now we all know what makes weather and bring different seasons. It's lots of factors and phenomenon that occur together. Okay, children, so that is it for today. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed learning about the poem What Makes Weather. So we will meet again in another video lecture with some different topic. Till then, thank you very much and God bless you all.